What's going on, guys? We're going to take a quick little look at nvda. So down day in the markets overall, and it's easy to look back now when the market has pulled back and kind of tell yourself, I should have seen the sign. What does that mean? If we kind of look back at nvida's chart here, right, and I kind of go over sometimes in voice call, just talking about my thought process when it comes to trading, but I always kind of tell the guys of like little indecision candles, little change in direction type candles on a big move up or big move down. You never know if they're going to work out until obviously you're sitting multi days or multi hours later and the move went right, and it's kind of like you should have got in. But if we kind of look here, March the 29th, look at this candlestick here and look at where we're at in the chart, right? So if we take a look at this little crossing candlestick here, this is a sign of a little bit of a could be getting ready for a change in direction. Why is that? Well, we ran into supply on this channel line here. So if you can kind of see this channel line here, we touched it once, we came down. Once we found a little bit of a bottom here, a little bit of a double, triple bottom that we had here going back to February and into the middle of March before we had that big ramp up. We came all the way to the top of this channel. We tried to break above it. There was no confirmation to the long side. What you would needed to see was another daily close over this and then start building into this next wave, which could have potentially sent us back into the 330s. But it was like right here is here's what you do. And this is a speculation play, and you have to exit the trade when it goes against you. But on a day like this, where we kind of break above it, you could tell yourself, you know what, if we take out this day's lows, okay, and I use this as my stop, if I use 290 as my stop, and if we take out this day's low, let me get short. I'll use this as my stop, I'll stay short, I'll swing this as long as we go down. You could have essentially got short from around 280 all the way down to 215. Fantastic move. 5, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 2 trading weeks. Again, that's neither here nor there. Just wanted to kind of bring that point up. But if we kind of look at where we're at now in the chart, we're back down here again, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're back down here in this level of demand. This, if I draw a box here, let me draw this box, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. Multiple touch points here, 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 here. Buyers are comfortable stepping in here. Now, does this mean sell your house, and put everything you got into nvidia? Absolutely not. The time you do that because you think that you know where the bottom is at is the time that this rips through this demand zone and puts in a new leg. So what we need to see here is if we do start to take out these lows, and these lows being around the price of around 207, 208. If we start to take out this 207, 208 level, we're definitely putting in a new low. Look to see what the triple Qs are doing. Are the triple Qs coming back and testing that recent low that we had from a couple of months ago? Or, what are we doing here? But if we hold this zone, and when we come out of this zone on the other side, which is reclaiming the 5-day moving average at that point, if we come out on the other side over 230, this would be a good opportunity to try to swing trade this and definitely use this demand zone as your stop. So if we stay in the demand zone, continue to hold the trade, hold the trade, hold the trade. And if we get out of this demand zone, you want to go long coming out of this demand zone for the next bump going higher. And why don't I have my drawing tool here? My drawing tool. 1 second. Always got to have this drawing tool up. Come on. Okay. So here's what I'm talking about, the demand zone, right? So, we can chop around here, but when we come out, this is where you want to get long. You want to get long coming out. Now, if we do something like this, where we chop around and we come out and then you get long and then we pull back, that's okay. It's okay as long as we hold this zone, right? It's okay as long as we hold this zone. Now, if we do something like this, then you have to sell coming out, because then that could be spelling the third, this next leg down. So definitely if we do something like this week or into next week, where we try to come up to the top of the zone into that 230 range, we consolidate, get rejected, and we start to break the bottom of this demand zone, losing that 207, 208. This is where you're going to want to get short, and you're going to want to cash out. You're going to want to have a happy face on, because you're going to be making some money. Guys, if you like this type of video and you want more help learning how to day trade, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.